Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Saidar Bab and I used to be student of this academy. Now I am teaching here as an instructor.
My experience at this academy was a game changer. It took my language skill from basic to advanced. If you are serious about your mastering English, I urge you consider this academy.
This academy, not only taught me some vocabs, idioms, and grammar.
Muzammil from senior bench of Allama Iqbal English Language Center, Skardu, Baltistan. I did my 6-month course and my journey here was so enriching.
I would like to thank to Asif Majani for coming here. It's me Nabil Ahmed. I'm from Shigar and I used to be a student of University of Baltistan.
This channel for come here in our academy. My time at the Allama Iqbal English Language Center was a period of incredible.
My language duration at Allama Iqbal English Language Center was a great experience. I'm a native speaker. I've come a long way.
देख रहा हूँ और मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि मेरे इदारा जो है ना, यहाँ के कुछ हमारे जो टीचर्स हैं वो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सिखाते हैं, बच्चों को एक उसके लिए तैयार करें, मुस्तकबल के लिए तैयार करें.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, मेरा नाम करं शहजादी है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है सकीना.
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज मी आसिफ माजानी एंड यू आर वाचिंग जीबी2 न्यूज़ एसजी.
जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, जदीद दौर में अंग्रेजी तालीम इंतहाई ज़रूरी है. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, अंग्रेजी ज़बान पूरी दुनिया में बोली जाती है. हमारी कौमी ज़बान उर्दू है, लेकिन हमारे तालीमी इदारों में अंग्रेजी ज़बान इस्तेमाल की जाती है और अंग्रेजी ज़बान को साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी की ज़बान भी समझी जाती है.
किस्मत नूह बशर तब्दील होती है यहाँ, एक मुक़द्दस फ़र्ज़ की तकमील होती है यहाँ. आज मैं अल्लामा इक़बाल लैंग्वेज सेंटर एकेडमी के सामने मौजूद हूँ.
बेहतरीन इंग्लिश बोलने और सीखने के लिए आज मैं आप लोगों को लेके जा रही हूँ अल्लामा इक़बाल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एकेडमी. आइए लैंग्वेज के हवाले से अल्लामा इक़बाल एकेडमी के स्टूडेंट से बात करते हैं.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Saidar Bab and I used to be student of this academy. Now I am teaching here as an instructor. Whosoever wants to learn English, so I really recommend it those students for this academy. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. I am Zainab Momina from Allama Iqbal English Language Center. Allama Iqbal English Language Center was my gateway to fluency in English. I couldn't be more grateful for the great excellent guidance and support I received here. To anyone looking to improve their English skills, I wholeheartedly recommend this academy. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone, myself Kureen Shahzadi from a senior batch of Allama Iqbal English Language Center. My experience at this academy was a game changer. It took my language skill from basic to advanced. If you are serious about your mastering English, I urge you consider this academy as your learning destination. After that, I am very thankful to this channel to come here and taking our interview. Once again, thank you so much.
So first of all, Assalamu alaikum. Myself Kamaluddin from a senior batch of Allama Iqbal Language Academy. Allama Iqbal Language Academy is where my language dreams became reality. The dedication of the instructor and the immersive learning environment make this center the perfect choice for every English learner. So I recommend this academy for every those guys who wants to join any language academy. So please join this academy because this academy is too much good for every English learners. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Al-Qadim from senior batch of Allama Iqbal English Language Academy. I was a new English learner and so weak in English. Now I am able to speak and understand it. Recently I have been certified after spending 6 consecutive months in this academy. And if you are an English enthusiast and looking for an excellent academy, then I suggest this academy for you. Thank you.
So class, we have 2 words here. Okay, first one is bridge and then song. Bridge you can use in Urdu. You can use say pull. Okay, don't use the word pull in English as well. You can use the bridge over there. Okay, and you know that you all the time use a lot.
Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine and doing great. First of all, I would like to thanks to Asif Majani for coming here. It's me Nabil Ahmed. I'm from Shigar and I used to be a student of University of Baldistan. And I have recently completed my master's from University of Baldistan in English Languages and Culture Studies. And I've been teaching grammar for a couple of years. And now I highly recommend all those students whose aim is to be a good grammarian. They are requested to be part of our academy. Thank you so much.
Starting with the greatest name of Allah Almighty, who is omnipotent, omnipresent and omniscient. First of all, I would like to pay my gratitude to Asif Majani, a renowned social activist, for coming here, for sparing your precious time for us. And my name is Mohammed Ilyas. I have been recently graduated from University of Baltistan Skardu in BS English Literature and Linguistics. Apart from that, I have been a student of Grace English Works and alumni of Grace English Works program 2022. And here in this academy, I have been teaching. I have been serving my duties as a spoken English teacher right here, and whosoever around Skardu city, whosoever is interested in learning and upgrading their English level, I highly recommend all those students. Please join us and make your future bright. Thank you.
So far, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Wazir Muzammil from senior bench of Allama Iqbal English Language Center, Skardu, Baltistan. I did my 6 month course and my journey here was so enriching. And now I'm expert in English. Thank for the center sales team. So don't feel hesitate to join the academy for your English needs. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me Muazzam Ulayat, son of Ulayat Ali from the senior batch of Allama Iqbal English Language Center. My language duration at Allama Iqbal English Language Center was a great experience. From a new speaker, I've come a long way and I'm ready to talk to this remarkable center. If you are an English language learner, I highly recommend this center as it provides an immersive and effective learning environment. Thank you for listening.
Hi everyone, my name is Sayyid Junaid Abbas. My journey at Allama Iqbal English Language Center has been an incredible advantage. The progress I made in my English language skill is a testament to the center effectiveness. English language learners look no further. This is the place to be.
It's me, Mr. Mazhar Mehdi, from the senior bench of Allama Iqbal English Language Skardu. So my journey at Allama Iqbal English Language Center has been nothing short incredible. The instructor dedication and the comprehensive curriculum has equipped me to communicate effectively in English. So this journey is a gem for language learner. Thank you so very much.
Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Malik Akram Ali, the senior student of Allama Iqbal Language Center. The Allama Iqbal Language Center has been the cornerstone of my learning journey. The supportive teacher, the curriculum and the all together work to create a very learning experience for me. I strongly recommend this academy without any reservations. And I'm very thankful for this channel to giving a coverage and for helping us to advertise our academy. So I'm very thankful for this channel.
This is Miwasu. Thanks for this channel for coming here. And this academy is really nice. And after joining this academy, I boosted my confidence. And my thinking goes to positive negativity to positivity. And before joining this academy, I was nothing. And now I can speak English. And I can perform any activity in front of anyone. Thank you.
Everybody, it's me Sania Iqbal, the senior batch of Allama Iqbal English Language Center. Thank you this channel for come in our academy. My time at the Allama Iqbal English Language Center was a period of incredible growth. I started with limited English skills and now I confidently speak, write and understand the language. If you are looking to enhance your English, this academy is the place for you.
Everybody, myself Babar Salim from the senior batch of Allama Iqbal English Language Academy. Allama Iqbal English Language Academy is a center where my language skill truly took flight. The learning experience was engaging and the progress was tangible. I recommended this center to anyone eager to enhance their language abilities. And thank you so much to come in this academy and get the feedback from us.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Itrat Fatma. I have been the senior student of this academy. Now they hired me as a teacher over here. Whosoever want to learn English, I highly recommend them to join this academy so their English would be very fluent. Thank you.
Welcome guys. Myself is Fatma from senior batch Allama Iqbal Language Academy. I have spent my 6 month tuitions in this academy. In this academy, not only taught me some vocabs, idioms and grammar. Actually, in this academy taught me how to behave, how to passion, and how to face the problems. If you are sensitive about your English language, I urge you consider this academy as your learning destination. Thanks so much.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सबसे पहले आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आपने यहाँ हमारे स्कूल में विज़िट की है। जैसा कि आप सबको मालूम है कि अल्लामा इकबाल पब्लिक स्कूल स्कर्दू के एक बेहतरीन स्कूल है, जिसमें हम फर्स्ट टाइम प्री नर्सरी से लेकर हमारे 9 तक जो बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं सुबह टाइम में। और सेकंड टाइम में हमारे पास 3 एकेडमीज चलते हैं। साइंस की एकेडमी है जिसमें 9th 10th और फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर के बेहतरीन एकेडमी चलते हैं, जिसमें हमने पब्लिक स्कूल और उसवा के बेहतरीन लेक्चरर्स को यहाँ पर लाए हुए हैं और बच्चे यहाँ पर तालीम हासिल करते हैं। उसके साथ साथ हमारे बेहतरीन टीचर्स के साथ फैकल्टी के साथ जो है ना नीचे लैंग्वेज चलते हैं। और इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जैसे कि आप सबको मालूम है कि इस वक्त इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज जो इंग्लिश के लिए एक अहमियत है और लोग इसको समझ चुके हैं, जिसको मद्देनज़र रखते हुए हमने जो है ना इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की क्लासेस यहाँ पर स्टार्ट की हुई। अभी 2 साल हमारे कंप्लीट हुए अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। और यहाँ पे जितने भी हमारे टीचर्स हैं वो उनकी ताउन से जो है ना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बच्चे इस वक्त बेहतरीन तरीके से इंग्लिश को लर्न कर रहे हैं और इस प्रोसेस को आगे लेके जा रहे हैं। और बच्चों में मैं देख रहा हूँ और मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि मेरे इदारा जो है ना यहाँ के कुछ हमारे जो टीचर्स हैं वो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सिखाते हुए बच्चों को एक उसके लिए तैयार करें, मुस्तकबिल के लिए तैयार करें, क्योंकि ये इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वक्त की अहम ज़रूरत है जिसको हमारे टीचर्स यहाँ पे फुल्ली वो कर रहे हैं। मैं तमाम स्टूडेंट्स से स्कर्दू की बेस्ट एकेडमी है अल्लामा इकबाल लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एकेडमी, तो मैं तमाम को रिकमेंड्स करता हूँ कि आप यहाँ पर तशरीफ़ लाएँ और यहाँ से तालीम हासिल करें, क्योंकि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इस वक्त की हमारी अहम ज़रूरत है। थैंक यू सो मच।
विंटर सेशन का आगाज़ करने जा रहे हैं, तो कल का इंतज़ार न करें, आज ही हमें ज्वाइन करें। हमारा लोकेशन है नियर आगाहदी चौक स्कर्दू, अल्लामा इकबाल स्कूल कैंपस पर आप तशरीफ़ ला सकते हैं।
अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो देखने से पहले आप GB ट्रू न्यूज़ HD को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी सारी वीडियोस आप लोगों तक बर वक्त पहुंच सके।